have been able to start down that road.
The little red wagon is symbolic of our journey through life. In the beginning, we are pulled along, given the tools we need to be healthy and successful.
It began as an idea, a vision really, in 1999, and Henry County Health Center was ready to take the launch on a new endeavor and had the trust in us to start a new area of programming to improve the quality of life. And we called it Healthy Henry County Communities.
When my husband was deployed, it was totally lifesaver. If I had not been involved in the Family Connection, we probably wouldn't have made it.
One of our first big endeavors that empowerment funding paid for started in a little bitty storefront and has grown currently to this amazing building as part of Henry County Extension. The whole lower level of the building is dedicated to young families and education to help them better their lives.
The Partnering for Healthy Babies program gave me the confidence to know that I could be a good mom and gave me tips on how to become a good mom and how to handle some of the tougher moments and different things to do to help them grow and develop.
It's for everyone in our county. You know, we have young professional moms that are finding Partnering for a Healthy Baby a huge help to them in their busy lives. Oftentimes, we see these moms turning around and giving back after they've learned what they can do to be a good mom or a good dad.
Project REACH takes a professional and goes on site to all child care providers in their homes or in centers, modeling what's appropriate behavior. They need to be really with the children and playing with the children and doing things for the children throughout the day. This is their work. This is their assembly line. This is their service. We have a preschool scholarship. Last year we paid for about 70 children to have that rich experience.
Without the scholarships, it would be difficult financially to allow them to attend preschool.
Our journey continues with partners from our community guiding and nurturing as we learn to support ourselves proudly and independently.
We look forward to welcoming new faces, embarking on new projects, and engaging in new challenges. Our diligent efforts to build a network of trust with other service organizations in our community are key to our success and will remain a priority.
Good job!
Rec Trail events offer families a fun way to stay physically active utilizing the rec trails at East Lake Park.
Do that so we can introduce young families to the rec trails so that they can find ways to go out and enjoy some family time together. And this offers a healthy option for them because they can go out there and they can take walks, their strollers can go out there. It's just a beautiful area.
Hello, dogs. Would you like a picture?
Henry County Substance Abuse Coalition strives to reduce substance use among youth and adults by offering alternative, fun, and free events.
kids stop me and say, I want a mentor, or I get to see my mentor today, or, I mean, they were so excited.
We've gone fishing, we've gone on a canoe trip down to Lake Geode. This will be the second year we've got in this pie contest, but it's fun to do and it's something we can do a bit together.
Youth development programming strives to support positive growth for all Henry County youth, focusing on building self-esteem, taking responsibility for their actions, and honing leadership skills.
We went to the elementary schools and we taught them that little acts of kindness can really make a difference in the world.
Go a long way, a
Yeah.
long, long way.
Community wellness programming offers educational opportunities to help establish and sustain healthy lifestyles. As we mature, we learn our service is important and become responsible and integral members of our community. We begin pulling the wagon for others, giving and guiding.
We've had a large influx of newcomers to Henry County, and the New Iowan Center helps them learn English through Rosetta Stone. They work with HR directors on finding the proper placement of the skills that those workers bring to them. It's very hard to learn everything at once. You're trying to get your kids in school, learn a new language, get your job, get settled, and that's pretty overwhelming in a short period of time. And the New Iowan Center helps with many of those aspects.
Now I can speak slowly, but I understand. Actually, for my job, I need a lot the English.
What we're so proud of really is that we're just the whole continuum of ages and stages. It's not just youth programming, it's not just the seniors. We cover in some shape or form all of the ages. So that's really the beauty of it. RSVP, our Retired Senior Volunteer Program, offers a plethora of volunteer opportunities for seniors, and it's certainly been proven that staying active and staying involved helps people maintain their agility, their social connectedness. It's a very important part. Probably the biggest part of RSVP, though, is the transportation, the medical transportation that we provide. Volunteer drivers escort patients from all over Henry County to their physician clinic visits, hospital visits, dental, optometry, any type of a medical visit within Henry County. And they also make trips to Iowa City.
Well, I'm retired, I'll need something to do. And they know that number one, I love to drive, and number two, I love to help people. And so they said, stop and see Kara. So I did and signed up that day.
69 active volunteers, about 60 to 65 of us together.
Healthy Henry County Communities has many volunteer opportunities available. If you would like to offer your time and talents or want to learn more about our organization, please call Nancy at 385-6523 or email hon@hchc.org. It creates a cycle where everybody's learning to give back.
That's just what people ought to do.
The HHCC Board of Directors, Program and Activities Council, and staff will continue to focus on the changing needs of our community, what is important, and what really matters.